and my dear students, Master Way. So, Chennai and participants the number of people ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. So, so many things to say, but I want to condense the matter and I'll tell you why I've come here. So I am also a master in the past. I'll say almost 40, 38, 39 years in Tamil Nadu. I was born, brought up in Tamil Nadu. So my first martial art school was Kyokushinkai, Vayama Karate. Then I joined RVT Mani, Shinsai. After that I came to Shotokan, that is where I got my black belt Shodan. After that I then continued to practice. Then Enter the Dragon movie came. After that martial art became very popular. Fortunately, after coming into movies, I happened to meet Mohandas, a very famous master in Taekwondo. Also, Rajagopal is a judo master, very popular in Chennai. Now also I am taking classes from Rajagopal in Chennai. I learned technique of judo. Judo exercise is very different from karate. A lot of falling from the back, the spine, the hip and for the shoulders. It is a very good exercise. But also for unarmed combat, sometimes somebody tries to hold your hand. Very funny, you know how to release the hand. It's a very simple and soft technique, but very effective. That way I am very passionate in martial arts. Wherever I have the invitation, I go to promote martial arts. The only reason now what I am till now you will be seeing the world with two eyes. दो आंखें से आगे तक आप अभी आपको तीसरा आंख को खोलना पड़ेगा. You are opening up your eyes. मतलब women, there is no protection for women. जो भी हो तकलीफ से कन्याकुमारी औरतों के लिए there is no point blaming the government, no point blaming the police, because police has got so many problems, so many priorities, less of staff. It's not a Western country where you call and they come running. So before it is too late, you have to protect yourself. Just like a first aid, so you have to learn. Many people think they depend on a weapon. A weapon is most dangerous thing which I will recommend. A lot of politicians, they have gunmen. Be good, the gun may not work. Lot of my friends, lot of police officers there worked in the Naxal and Greyhounds and things like that. They have told me so many stories. Going on an encounter, about to shoot a person, the gun did not work. The opposite person took the gun and shot them. Luckily, they shot them on the arm, on the chest. They escaped. So never take a gun out. Gun will be the last thing which you are going to take when you know the opponent is really down. So you need your body to become your guard. मतलब आपका bodyguard होना चाहिए. Your own body has to become a bodyguard. No point blaming anybody. You are alone. All women, girls are going for work, they are going to study, they are going for so many things alone. Don't expect every time help to come. Public may be there. They won't help, they just watch. खाली शो को देखते हैं, आपको कोई आके सेव नहीं करेगा. So you have to learn to defend yourself. You have to make your body very strong. Take the hit and give the hit, both. So martial art exercise is one of the best exercise I can say, which can only challenge your age. The age का कोई problem नहीं है. You have to challenge your age. You have to be fit. I won't say you can defy your age, but you can manage your age. Nobody can defy your age. Aging will continue. As aging is continuing, automatically your organs become weak. Because you may sleep in the night, but your organs don't sleep in the night. They keep on working. A heart, liver, kidney, lungs and all that. And now latest pandemic and all that, lungs is very important. So you need a lot of air breathing exercise, which is only available in martial art. Other conditioning, not just eating. तो एक्सरसाइज भी करना है और आपका लंग का कैपेसिटी भी बढ़ाना है. तो मार्शल आर्ट एक्सरसाइज इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. तो आई एम लाइक आई बिलीव दैट मार्शल आर्ट इज वन ट्री. उसमें बहुत सारे ब्रांच, చాలా బ్రాంచెస్ ఉంటాయి. You have Kalari, you have Judo, you have Jiu-Jitsu, you have Muay Thai, you have so many things. One is Taekwondo, which I always love to see because Taekwondo, when the artists perform, the beautiful leg work, air work, fantastic, kicks. Karate, you have 50% hand work, 50% leg work. But I joined because it was near my house, so I joined and learned karate. So I congratulate all of you, and today especially I have to congratulate Jairam ji and Bharti ji and Mr. Subbarao ji and the rest. I don't know the committee names and all that. So organizing this tournament, and the main another reason for organizing this national team is, see, one thing is like, all of us have to join together. We are all Indians. Right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we are all Indians. We have to save the country. बॉर्डर में हमारा जो सैनिक है वो लोग उधर बैठे हैं बंदूक पकड़ के उधर कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम क्या करेंगे? We have to protect our family, we have to protect our country, we have to protect our state. There's so many problems, so we have to be ready. But to be ready, we have to connect ourselves. There should be no feeling south, north, east, west. So to connect all these things, we organize and seeing this national tournament to get everybody together. There is no priority in caste, community and creed. We are all one. हम पूरे भारतीय हैं, we are all Indians. All of us should join together. And once again, I am telling and seeing all the parents over here, I thank everybody for having encouraged their children into Taekwondo. Very good, keep it up. Education will be going on, but this also has to go on because इसमें क्या है कि मार्शल आर्ट में ऑटोमेटिकली और कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट आता है. बच्चों जो है छोटे बच्चे उन लोगों को मालूम नहीं कि व्हाट इज डिसिप्लिन. तो बच्चों हैं तो छोटे उम्र से उन लोगों को ट्रेनिंग दे दिया तो जब बड़े होते हैं उसको थोड़ा डिसिप्लिन होता है, कैरेक्टर आता है. एबिलिटी विल टेक यू टू द टॉप, बट कैरेक्टर विल अलाउ यू टू रिमेन ऑन द टॉप. कैरेक्टर नहीं तो एबिलिटी से कोई फायदा नहीं है, पढ़ने से क्वालिफिकेशन से कोई फायदा नहीं है. तो कैरेक्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू कैन विन मेनी प्लेसेस विद योर कैरेक्टर, नॉट विद योर एजुकेशन. द वे हाउ यू टॉक, द वे हाउ यू बिहेव, वे हाउ यू. So character training is very important, mind training is very important, how you control your mind, how you control your body. Then your fitness level is there. So fitness also is very important. Fitness, but I don't say you should have a V-shaped body and all strong muscles. No, your body has to be tough. Inside first tough, outside tough. Be trim. Because once your body, your health goes out of order, it is very difficult to bring it back to order. God has made the system so beautiful to give you a wonderful body. Fantastic body. People live 100 years also. 140 years also they live. Why? Because they are maintaining the body. The body को maintain कर रहा है. Food, exercise, air, everything. So it's up to you. You want a body, good body, maintain it. You don't want a good body, leave it. But once your body goes out of control, once your body becomes a problem, it will never be okay like before. You can just bring it back to one level. Because what happens, as you are aging, automatically problems will start. The parts become weak, old, they've been working for so many years, वो खराब हो जाएगा. उसके बाद क्या उसको टॉप अप नहीं कर सकता, मैनेज कर सकते हैं उसको. You can manage the disease, you can manage diabetes, you can manage blood pressure, but you cannot remove it. Then age will automatically, some people get it early, some people get it late. So medicinal treatment is there, alternative medicine is there, allopathy, homeopathy, ayurvedic.